Good morning, student. Welcome in 12th standard. Today we are going to start our online lectures. So let's start part 1, first chapter, mathematical logic. Mathematical logic means the science of reasoning. In this chapter, first we learn statement. Listen, student, there is huge difference between statement and sentence. Every sentence is not a statement. There are so many types of sentences, just like exclamatory, interrogative, imperative, declarative. Here we want only declarative sentence. A declarative sentence which is either true or false, those sentences we call it as statement. That means here we have to test whether it is true or false. Then we say that it is a statement. Now look at the definition of statement. A statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Statements are denoted by letters like P, Q, R and so on. For example, 2 is a prime number. We know that this sentence is true. Therefore, it is a statement. Second, the sun rises in the west. We know that this sentence is false, but it is a statement. And in third example, how are you? Can you tell me, is it true or false? No, you can't, because it is not a declarative sentence. So, here we write it is not a statement. Now the second point, truth value of a statement. We know that a statement is either true or false. The truth value of true statement is denoted by capital T and the truth value of false statement is denoted by capital F. For example, sum of two odd numbers is odd. For example, if we take here two odd number 3 plus 5 and addition of these two odd numbers which is equal to 8. Here we get even number. That means this sentence, sum of two odd numbers is odd. This sentence is false. So here we write it is a statement but its truth value is F. Second, India is a democratic country. We know that this sentence is true. So here we write it is a statement and its truth value is T. Now the next, open sentences. Now look at the definition of open sentences. An open sentence is a sentence whose truth can vary according to some conditions which are not stated in the sentence. For example, he is an actor. If we are talking about any celebrity, then this sentence is true. But if we are talking about any common person, then this sentence is false. That means truthness of this sentence is depend upon that person. So it is called as open sentence. So here we write it is not a statement. Second example, x plus 3 equal to 7. Now look at here. X plus 3 equal to 7. If we put here x equal to 4, then we get 4 plus 3 equal to 7. That means this sentence is true. But if we put x equal to 5, then 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Then here we get this sentence is false. That means truthness of this sentence is depend on the value of x. Here we put x equal to 4, then we get true. Truth value is T. And if we put x equal to 5, then we get truth value is F. So it is called as open sentence. And here we write it is not a statement. Now look at the exercise 1.1. First example. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. अब देखो यहाँ पे हमें पता है कि ट्रायंगल में से तीनों एंगल की एडिशन 180 डिग्री आती है. That means ये सेंटेंस ट्रू है. So here we write it is a statement and its truth value is t. Second example, square root of minus 4 is an irrational number. So first we check here, square root of minus 4, we split this number as 4 into minus 1. So square root of 4, square root of minus 1. We know that square root of 4 is 2 and square root of minus 1 is I. Here I equal to root minus 1. So here 2i, that means here we get complex number. So square root of minus 4 is not an irrational number, it is complex number. That means it is a statement and its truth value is f. Now next example, he is an actor. We know that it is an open sentence. So here we write only it is not a statement. Next, give me a compost box. It is also not a declarative sentence. So here we write it is not a statement. Next, x square minus 6 plus 8 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 4 or x equal to minus 2. That means here you have to give one quadratic equation and these two value indicates its factor. So let's check. First we write here x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. So we put here x equal to minus 4. So minus 4 square minus 6 into minus 4 plus 8 equal to 0. So minus 4 square is 16 minus minus plus 6 into 4 24 plus 8 equal to 0. Now adding these numbers we get 48 equal to 0. So here we get wrong equation, that means this sentence is false. So here we write it is a statement and its truth value is f. Thank you.